Hey y'all, it's Haley, and today I have my very first Stitch Fix. So gotta be honest, I was really excited about trying Stitch Fix for the first time. I've thought about it on and off here and there, and I've wanted to do it for quite a while, but I just really didn't want to have to pay the styling fee, and then not like anything. But I thought I would give it a try. It is a $20 styling fee, and then that goes towards anything that you keep, and then there's a discount when you buy, if you buy all the things in the box. Now, I peeked, and I'm gonna be honest, I didn't really like anything in my box, but we'll see. If I see everything in person, maybe I will change my mind. But I did the styling quiz. I tried to do like all the little things where you can, like, they ask, is this your style? Would you wear this? And I tried to do that as much as I could. But it might just take a few more times for my stylist to really get to know me and my style. But let's break into this thing. Okay, so I have the Oh Hello card that has the style stuff, and then I've got my letter from my stylist on there as well, so I will read that in a second. This is my prices. It's just an empty envelope. Okay, and then here's the return mailer, and then my bundle, and then I also got some shoes. So total cost of my box, subtotal is $291. The buy all discount, 25% off, is $72.75, which would plus the styling fee would bring my total to $198.25. That's a lot more than I wanted. I clicked like all the lowest prices for everything, and the cheapest thing in my box is $48. So we'll have to be talking to my stylist about that, because these prices are a little bit more than I want to pay. And I know Stitch Fix is expensive, but I have seen cheaper boxes than this. So here we go. All right, let me read my letter from my stylist. So hello Haley, and welcome to the Stitch Fix family. I'm excited to introduce you to this stylish new adventure. These first few fixes are all about getting to know you, so be sure to share your thoughts with me at checkout on any likes or dislikes. I chose some great business casual/casual pieces for you. These green pants by Violets and Roses are so versatile, as you can dress them up for work or wear them casually. I selected these really great flat shoes for you by Tom's. The detailing is so modern and more on the casual side. Are they too informal? The Daniel Rain blouse is perfect for work. Try pairing it with the tribal pants for an effortlessly professional look that you can wear out to dinner or drinks afterward. Please let me know what you would like to see in your next fix. XO Genevieve. All right, here we go. All right, so let's open up the shoes. I like the bag. This is a nice little shoe bag. All right, so these are Tom's. Oh, these are not the ones I saw in my picture. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Okay, the ones in my picture were polka dotted, and these are like more like solid black, and then they have this like black and white like striped section. They're like an espadrille. Now I have had Tom's before, and they are very comfortable. And she said something about them possibly being too casual. Honestly, I mean, my work is like, basically you can wear whatever you want as long as you don't wear jeans, unless it's jeans day. So, and then we can wear jeans. So like we go pretty casual. But I actually really like these. They've got that little detailing on the sides. They're just plain black in the front and on the back. So I'm actually pleasantly surprised. These are the Tom's Classic Printed Alpargata Espadrille Flat, size color black, size 8.5, cost $59. So with the $20 styling fee, I would only have to pay $39 on these. I mean, I've already paid $20, but like these actually aren't bad. So I actually may consider keeping these. And these have like Ortholite Comfort Foam insoles, so these are probably actually more comfortable than the Toms that I've had in the past. So, all right, we're actually off to a better start than I expected. All right, let's open up this bundle. We have, this is the Daniel Rain top. Daniel Rain, I have seen things from Daniel Rain before, and it's very good quality stuff. It's usually quite pricey, but here's the top. It's pleated, it has buttons, it's sheer. There it is. This is the Daniel Rain Bilson pleat detail blouse in black, size extra large, for $68. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a big large flowers person, which is I think the main reason why I don't really like this blouse. The print is just not me. I don't like big flowers. I love tiny flowers, but big flowers are a no for me. But I will try it on for y'all. Yeah, so there that is. All right, next is another top. This is the Fun to Fun Melee pleated detail top. They're all about the pleated tops with the buttons. This is very similar to the Daniel Rain, actually. It's got pleats in the front, and it's also got buttons in the front. I am a bigger fan of this print, though. It is more my speed. It's smaller floral. And it has like a button cuff. I think it might be a 3/4 sleeve. This is the Fun to Fun Melee pleated detail top in dark purple, size extra large, for $48. But $48 is a lot for this. So I don't know. All right, next we've got the pants. So these are the green ones. Violets and Roses Emmy Rivet pull-on pant. Dark green, size 14, for $58. All right, so they are very stretchy. They have this like stretchy waistband. They don't have a button, and these are fake pockets. Or are they? I think maybe you can I don't know. But there are no pockets in the back, which makes me sad. And there's no belt loops. So I don't really know how I feel about these. I also already have like 3 pairs of green pants, so I probably will not be keeping these, but I do like the color of them. And if I didn't already have like 3 pairs of green pants, I probably would consider keeping these, but anyway, we'll try them on for fun. All right, next thing is a pair of black pants, and these are the Tribal Fia straight trouser, and they're made like the others. They are just a pull-on. They do have probably fake back pockets. Yes, fake back pockets and fake front pockets. Wait, maybe they're not. Oh no, they are real front pockets. They just have to be pulled apart. Okay, but these are the same kind of fit. They're just whatever. They don't have the button zipper. They just pull on. They're very stretchy. Did I say what these were? They're the Fia straight trouser in black, size 14, for $58. These are not as tapered as the green ones were, so I don't know. I probably could use another pair of black pants, so if these fit really, really great, I may consider keeping these. I'm not really sure. But let's go try this stuff on. All right, so I am wearing the green pants with the Toms. This is the top I was already wearing, but okay, I really actually like these pants. They feel very nice. They're very comfortable. I love the fit of them. They're a good, like, pretty high-waisted. They hit me right at my belly button. They're very comfortable. I like the length of them. They're a good, like, ankle length. So actually, like, these are great pants. If I didn't already have, like, I think I literally have 3 pairs of almost like kind of like olive green colored pants. And these are slightly different than the others, but like, I just don't know that I need another pair of green pants. So these were probably gonna go back, but I do really, really like the way they fit me. These shoes are really comfortable. They feel like Toms. They are a little bit narrow. I have kind of wide feet, and I know in the past I've had to break in Toms to fit my wide feet. But after I break them in, they're really comfortable shoes. So these are a contender for sure. The pants will probably be going back, but I do really like them. So they're a size 14 and they fit me absolutely perfect. All right, so I'm wearing the Daniel Rain top and the tribal black pants with the same Toms. Okay, so I actually might keep these pants. They're so comfortable. They fit me absolutely perfectly. They're a little bit more of a straight leg than like a skinny leg, like the green pair. They're so comfy. I like this material. It's very comfortable. I may actually exchange these though for one size smaller because I do have a little bit of room in the legs and they're really stretchy. So I think I could go down a size in these to a 12. So I may see if I can do that. But I really kind of need another pair of black pants. I am down to like 2 and they're getting kind of faded. So I probably need another pair of black pants in my closet. So I may actually be keeping these. Okay, so this is the Daniel Rain top. Like I said, I don't love the print of it. So I probably will be sending it back just because of the print. And I'm not a big fan of this pleated detail. The buttons are cute, and the way it fits is really nice. I actually think I could size down in this top as well. I said my top size was an extra large because I'm kind of in between large and extra large, and so I always tend to size up before I would size down. But in blouses, I'm probably more like a large, whereas like in t-shirts and stuff, I usually size up to an XL just because I want things oversized. But yeah, I think I could probably size down in this top because I have a ton of room just all throughout the body, and then the sleeves are kind of long on me as well. But other than that, like, it's not bad. Okay, so here is the Fun to Fun top. There's nothing wrong with it. It fits really nicely. This is an extra large and it fits me perfectly. So I'm really in between, and I could go either way depending on the brand and the style of tops. But the color is cute. The floral, I like that it's smaller floral and not the big floral. The sleeve length is really nice. It wouldn't get in the way of anything, and I could still like wear bracelets with it. I'll just show you the back. Yeah, I mean, it's great. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm probably not going to keep it because I'm not in love with it, and it's $48 and I don't really need it. So it's not bad. It's just not perfect. Okay guys, so a quick recap. This was not as bad as I thought it was going to be when I saw the pictures. Really, everything was okay. Everything fit okay. I mean, I could get everything on. I think I overestimated with tops, but then again, like this top is the extra large and it's perfect. So I really just, I don't know. I'm going to need my stylist to kind of like investigate to see if things run big or not before they send them to me. So let me just go through the list and tell you guys what I thought about everything. The Toms, I really like the ones I got better than the ones I got a picture of, but I actually think I'm going to send them back because they are really casual and they're not too casual for my workplace. I just already have a pair of black slip-on Vans that I wear a good bit to work, and so I was really looking for something a little bit more dressy. So I am probably going to send these back, but they are really cute, and if I needed them, I would keep them, but I do have something similar, and I just don't know that I will reach for them enough to keep them. The Fun to Fun top, which is the one I'm wearing, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's $48, and I don't absolutely love it, so I'm not going to keep it. The Tribal Fia straight trousers in black, I am going to keep these, or I might exchange them for a size smaller. I need to decide. I'm trying to lose weight, so if I lose 10 to 15 pounds, these might be too big on me. And they do have a little bit of room in the 14, so I may actually exchange these for a 12. They are $58, so with the styling fee taken off, they'll be $38. which isn't terrible for a pair of black pants. And I don't think these will fade. They're more of a polyester material, so I don't think they will fade as badly as a cotton pair from like Old Navy or something. So I think that's going to be the only thing I'm going to keep. The Daniel Reen blouse, I mean, it was nice, but it just wasn't really my style. I'm not a big, large florals person, and it was a little too big on me. So, and it's $68. So, probably not. And then the Violets and Roses Emmy Rivet pull-on pant. They're fine. They fit great. They're comfortable, but I just don't need another pair of green pants. So I will be sending those back. So yeah, that is it for my Stitch Fix. And hopefully after a few more rounds, my stylist will kind of get to know my style a little bit better, and my boxes will get better and better, and it will be hard for me to not have a 5 for 5. But yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.